Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when keeps updating on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update, and you will see first option is software update. Click on software update and click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon and click on auto update and click on auto download and turn off auto download. After turn off auto download, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not cleaner, remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps updating on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.